Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video where I will explain more about Render token, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano. Let's start with Render token. Yesterday we said that we had a symmetrical triangle. The thing is, there were two possibilities like always, or we go to the upside and retouch that line, or we go to the downside. The thing is, there was a lot of selling pressure, as we can see here in that triangle. So if we broke that symmetric triangle in the middle of that triangle, and we went back to the support line of this big ascending triangle. Now the question is now, are we going lower or not? Now it's possible that we are going lower, and we could retouch this line again of that big ascending triangle. That would say that this is a fake out. I don't think so. I think this is a very healthy retouch, and that you are making higher lows on the daily. So let's hope that we won't break that big ascending triangle that we are making, and that we are making a green candle again. On the 4-hourly candles, we are making a little green candle again. This is very bullish. This is a bullish candlestick, because we see that the buyers are coming again and we are making a green candle again. So let's hope that we are going back to these higher levels again, and that we can make a higher high on these charts. Okay, so that's for Render. Go back to Ethereum. We are now on Ethereum, the 4-hourly candles. The 4-hourly candles, what do we see here? We see a descending triangle on the 4-hourly candles. Now mostly a bullish pattern. So what does that mean? I think that we will retouch this line again, very important line, where we would touch it in this triangle, and going back to higher levels. So I think we can go back to $1,930 again. We will retouch these levels. After that, we will see another pattern. This is a very interesting trade. So yeah, let's see if we go lower and then see what the chart is doing. It's also possible that we are going to a higher, to a lower price. But if you go to a lower price, we are making again a higher lows. So that would be also interesting. And it's also very healthy. So let's see what it will do. You can go both to the both sides, but this pattern is mostly a bullish pattern. That means that it can go to higher prices. So let's hope that we have a positive sign on this. And meanwhile, the chart of Ethereum is very bullish. As you can see, we are touching this important line. So very nice for Ethereum. Go back to Cardano. Now we have Cardano on the weekly chart, as you can see there. So we saw that Cardano had a very bad chart since the bear market in 2021. So what are we seeing now in the chart is that we are creating a new pattern, a symmetric pattern. So also we have several touch points. So yeah, it will range between these points and then go lower to touch this yellow curve that I made. So yeah, I think for Cardano we have to wait a little bit to have more confirmation what Bitcoin will do, and we have to wait Alcon season. But we will range, go lower, go higher, go lower, go higher, and then maybe break it again, and then go back to higher prices. So that's what I think with Cardano, what Cardano will do. I think we will see a boom of Cardano in 2023. So let's see. And let's end with Bitcoin, the chart of Bitcoin. Very nice chart. I like to see it. What do we see now is that we are creating higher lows, and we are also forming higher highs at this moment. So that's very, very nice to see. The thing is, what I made is, we can see a cup. So we are forming a big cup on the weekly chart. So I made that yellow line. So I was creating that. I hope we won't break that yellow line. If it's possible, we can break it like this, like we did here, and go back in that zone of the yellow line, in that red zone, where there's a lot of accumulation. So yeah, we are creating a nice pattern. So let's see what it will bring. So after that, if you are going back to that red box, you can see it over there since 2021. We will range over here and we go back. Yeah, here we would accumulate a lot of Bitcoin again. So there's a very important zone. It would be very difficult also to break to the higher levels, but this is the line of the halving. We have a lot of time to range between these levels and then go back to higher levels. Okay, so let's see what Bitcoin will do. So at this moment, we are touching that yellow line again. Very nice to see. So let's hope it would be possible that we go back to that line and then go back in that yellow line. So let's see if my cup will form very well and that will make a handle, and then we go back to higher highs. So have a nice day.